never change.
You may go back to your life. Congratulations, Bianca.
And today, we're going to talk about modeling.
Mahirap. Big task ahead.
Thank you for the memories.
Yun nga, dahil dito sa Misty, parang nailalabas ko yung utong ako.
Wow!
Umusbo!
I would like to thank everyone and let's just be happy for this collection.